In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on 120 FPS in Apex Legends on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and we're going to go to Home. Then what you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner and scroll down and select Screen and Video. From here, we're going to go to Video Output. Then you want to scroll down, and where it says 120 Hz output, make sure this is on automatic. Now, anytime you boot up a game that supports 120 Hz frame rate, it's going to automatically switch to this. So we're now going to go back and go to Apex Legends. Then what you want to do is press and hold the start button on your controller, and we're going to go to settings. From here, you want to select video at the top, and where it says graphics mode right here, if your setup supports it, you should be able to turn on performance mode. This is going to prioritize frame rates up to 120 FPS with reduced visual quality. So the next thing I recommend you do is go up to gameplay at the top and scroll down to near the bottom. And once you get near the bottom, you'll see the performance display, and you want to toggle this feature on. Now when you're in game, you'll be able to see latency as well as frames per second just in the top right corner there. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.